Not a clot. At the rum do you, sir? At the rum you drink? It assumes so you are good.
You eat the food already?
No, in the soup pot. The rice and the chicken, rice and pigeon chicken chewing in the soup. And I had 2 birds in there, 2 pigeon.
So that rice can go in the soup?
Me don't know, you know. But me go drink soup. Me dinner,
so
Sunday dinner.
Rice and peas and chicken.
Me eat the chicken a wing. Yeah. 2 wing.
Yeah.
That gang in the soup pot. Rice and peas and chicken and pigeon bird.
Why
a
you
boil.
Do that? Oh, you do that?
Me don't know.
I want to see it.
Come out of the car, go look. Go open the pot and look.
What you say now?
Rice in them bird. Pigeon. See the rice there now. Rice and bird wing. It does get mad. 2 bird, I cut and clear. 2 pigeon in the see pigeon in there.
So pigeon you gonna eat?
Yeah, man, I eat pigeon soup this. I'm there on pallet. It does get mad. Madness. It's a mad pot. Rice and chicken wing and pigeon. Go and go boil out. Never, don't have been at the Irish are in the Bella. Irish and pumpkin. Wait name, the next one name, Chocho.
Dolo drunk again. I just saw people them walling go over figure a rum bar, you know. I said then set you, sir. Who said you, sir? Not a clot. At the rum do you, sir? At the rum you drink? It assumes so you are good down pussy hole. Might be a 1 shot of rum send you home. For you love rum more than you love you. You love the rum more than you love yourself. Lord God, me no know if you are going to change.
Is where Fada get this rod he's walking with from the other day.
Keep your blood clot off of me, you're gonna post one. Batty boy. Hey, what is it? Blood clot. Look at your blood clot. Blood clot, bro. That's why I see it. That's why I stop.
So I run for. Come here, one. Come here,
Yeah, go on that.
Yeah.
Batty man, Greg.
Yo, hold on. That man a real? No, it's a real Jamaican man. Hold on, watch out.
Yeah.
Watch out. Hold on there, man.
Yeah.
Watch out. Watch out. Brother, what size this?
11.
Vibes Cartel we are 12 or 13. And this how much? It's about 17 or 16.
19.
Look on the little man. Look how the man little. And look how the man boot big, brother. Yo, TikTok. Tell me if a man have to come down. Tell me. Let me know if he have to come down.
Alright, thanks. You can talk now.
Hello, fantastic people around the world. My name is Sean Orion Angel, the United Sean Orion Angel. Right now, I'm kind of look a little scruffy. I live on the streets of Jamaica, but I wish you can forgive me for living like this. You know, me I try to get my money from www.nike.com from 2023. They owe me $90 billion via Victoria Mutual. I'm more than mind the transfer for the immediately. Since it's a definite yes for all my designs. More than mind get my $90 billion even by tomorrow morning. Please, Nike.com. You know, I need money to fix up my life. I try to get my life up off of the streets. Some people robbing my things, then I may have a poster. But I have a whole heap of movie ideas, a poster. Mel Gibson, Angelina Jolie, Johnny Depp, Selena Gomez, Jason Statham. All my movie ideas, I was robbed. I was robbed because pussy old people don't want to see me going away in that bumbuckler country. I'm just hope so I get my ass clock money from Nike and anybody else who will listen to this. But alright.
All right,
Yeah, as me I say, I wish you can forgive me for living like this. I just the feeling right now, the way me I talk. I mean to be so impolite, but I just, the truth me I tell us, I need my bum buck, I need my money. All right.
All right, Jamaican, bless up. It's one of our real dudes here. I love him so much, you know.
All the Jamaican soup is nasty. I don't like it.
Really, bro?
Yeah.
Damn,
It's
boy.
like a porridge. It's
Alright.
too thick.
That's what you say?
It's too thick.
And you hear that the people's
It's
got
too thick.
Jamaica.
Spanish soup is different.
Yes, so yes, Spanish soup.
Uno soup is too thick, bro.
Alright, so why Spanish soup tastes raw?
Raw.
Yeah, like you can smell the raw meat.
No, there's no raw in there, man.
Yeah, I couldn't even
No.
Tell this bum buckler and the woman a war with me. We done it this. That work. It's a bum buckler work. They got done criminal and scammer. Look on them big highway road that we're at there. And we're not getting a bum buckler money. Eh? Andrew Olef. Why you give her listening ears in a brother? Or some man tell you go suck out your mother and you get a listening ears and go look for them and find them. Who are you find we as Chinese have a worker? Tired of this bum buckler. Tired of this bum buckler. This is not nothing. Tired. You got done criminal and scammer. Done with this. Watch this. God. Bum buckler. Let's see the bag, David. Let's see the bag. Let's see the bag. It's a phone in the bag, David.
No,
Let's see the bag.
when you have the fall down.
I don't see a cur. I don't see a cur in the bag. The phone in the bag. I don't see a cur. David, a cur in the bag.
Here, let me see the phone.
Where's the phone in the bag?
Let me see the phone here.
We had a better while ago.
No phone.
No, we had a, listen. We have a better now. Let's see the bag, David. David, a phone. No, you don't. Then they're upon the phone. We know that's how we do the phone.
No phone.
Where fall?
Phone underneath.
So where's the phone?
Where you doing it?
Me and cur a while ago now. David, no bother with the phone. Let the man them see the bag good, properly. So what? I want to offend them people, so David. What's offending the people now? David, that's so offended, David. No, David, that's so offended. Food in there? So where fall? Fall of a yard. In I better FM.
I don't have any phone.
So you last time come for a fall.
Are you asking about that, you know?
No, I'm going for yard and see fall and make it. So you made love to the fall?
Sir, you say I read my age often. You see what I say? I'm not talking about them really.
So you don't have 64?
I work me. No,
Yeah.
I don't.
You're too light, David, man. I saw you on the phone. David,
I don't have
I saw you with a fall in the back the other day.
No, sir.
And I saw you when we came up by your house up there at the hills. We saw a fall in the middle of your bed. And you told us,
I want green grab. I'm seeing them from one night.
yeah, and you tell us that we walk in for moms.
Like I go over my phone.
Yeah, the boy said we walk in for moms. So we afraid to come out of my house. Because our phone like big like that, he said we walk in for moms. So Dave.